Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how to box braid your doll's hair with extensions added in. For this video, I'm using my rerooted Ginger Breadhouse doll from Ever After High, kanekelon hair in a matching color, and some hair gel. In preparation of the braids, you want to take the kanekelon hair and cut it to the desired length. For this specific hairstyle, I cut the hair in half twice. If you're not sure how much you want to cut it, you can always use your doll for measurements. Then you want to pre-section some of the kanekelon hair to make it easier to add in the hair when you're braiding. I like to make both thin sections and some thicker sections. To start the style, I section off a horizontal layer of hair and section the rest out of the way. As you can see, when I rerooted this doll, I forgot to paint the scalp, so that's why her hair color doesn't match the color of the head. Now you want to take a small section of this layer of hair. To make it easier to work with, I take some of the gel and put it on my hand. I separate the strand in 3 equal sections and run some of the gel through it. Then, I take a strand of extension hair and add it to the outer 2 sections. I braid it a couple of times and then I add another strand of extension hair to the one strand that is still short. When you're almost out of the doll's original hair, you want to add extension strands another couple of times to make sure the braid is the same volume from root to end. To make sure the ends of the original hair won't be sticking out too much, I add a little bit of gel to these ends. Then, I just braid the hair like I normally would until all of the hair is braided. Now you just want to repeat the same things for the entire hair, trying to use a similar amount of hair all the way around the head for a really neat look. If you come across some sections that have less rooted hair, you can make those braids thicker by adding a little extra extension hair. When you're done with the braids, you want to dip the ends in boiling water to make them a little more flexible. Boiling the ends also makes sure that the braids won't unravel for a longer lasting result. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you try out this look as well, make sure to post it on Instagram tagging me. And if you want to see more pictures of my doll restyles, make sure to check out my Instagram as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!